Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time of the day you're watching this video. From the stables of Responsive AI Agency, we've created another AI-powered tool. We have created AI-powered tool for those who are in accounting, in real estate, and HR. And this is one that we've created for legal luminaries in Nigeria. It's called Nigerian Legal Drafting Assistant, and this is an AI-powered legal document that is compliant with Nigerian law framework. So now the first question you ask is, why do I need this as a legal practitioner? Well, you've heard of ChatGPT by now. But the problem with ChatGPT is that whatever information you feed into it will be made publicly available. So that means you cannot ask it sensitive information. Even if you try to decoy the information, somehow you will still need to draft documents imputing, maybe your client's name, as the case may be. But what we've created will be hosted on a private server, meaning that your information can never be seen on Google search. Now, whatever you feed into ChatGPT, if you must know, can now be indexed on Google search, meaning whatever confidential information you might have put into ChatGPT could be seen even by your clients or by families of your clients, as the case may be. But of course, the client confidentiality clause, which of course you as a legal practitioner you're trained for. So that's why we've created this tool, because it will be hosted on your private server. Now, like I said, this is an AI-powered legal document compliant legal document generator that's compliant with Nigerian law framework. So the interface is very simple for you to use. So that means you have a text input area, and then you could have a document that you need AI to summarize for you. Like, for example, you could upload the document either in PDF or docs, as the case may be. You can have any legal documents. You have an NDA, you want to summarize the document, you want to analyze a statute, as the case may be. Most cases, the reason why you could upload a document, you have a court case to handle maybe tomorrow. You have this document, you need the AI to summarize it for you. This is where you use this interface. But at the same time, we also have a text input option where you needed to generate maybe general legal documents, an NDA. You want to summarize the document, you want to draft a legal opinion, or you want to analyze the statute. So let's put this to the test. For example, we want to generate a legal document, and then we have the prompt. So what you could use the ChatGPT for is to ask you to generate a prompt, or you could come up with one. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just the creator of these tools, so I rely on ChatGPT to get information on what I can feed to test the system. So let's see if this will work. So we'll just copy this. We'll go to our software, we'll paste it there. So we're asking you to draft a standard employment contract for a small tech startup in Lagos. Includes sections on probation, salary, confidentiality, and termination. So this is a general legal document. So of course it will be a placeholder, something you can now put and then fit in the actual names of either the company and then the period. So let's see how this works. So we'll put in the prompt, and then we'll click generate legal document, and then let's see what happens. So it's working behind the scenes. Then we'll just wait. Once we click generate legal document, we wait, and then we'll see what happens. So the output is going to show up on this interface right here. So yes, so now this is the output. So and then now give us something you can work with. with placeholder, so you can put the name of the fintech. So the advantage of this is in seconds you can draft these documents without having to worry about typos. In case you have legal assistance, now you don't need one. With this interface, you can have this draft your legal documents for you in seconds. Now you have it generated for you with placeholders where you can insert the actual parties to this contract. So as you can see, this is well documented document, a well generated document, and you can copy it to clipboard and then put it on Word document and export it to PDF as the case may be. And also, if you have a document that's not more than 5 MB, you can always attach. If it's to summarize the document, you can get that done in seconds. So this again cannot be compared with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT you cannot upload confidential document, but with this on the private server, all your documents attached are deleted automatically few minutes after you've generated the summaries or the documents that you want. It's not stored anywhere because we do not have the capacity to keep documents for eternity. Maybe ChatGPT does, and they use your data to train their AI. We are not in that business, but the disadvantage of using ChatGPT is that your private document or your private data could be indexed on Google, and then someone could see what is supposed to be confidential. So please click below to get your sign up, your account created for you in minutes for your chambers, so that you can upgrade your legal practice, and then you'll be well ahead of your peers who are still doing everything manually.